6 minus 3 equals to 3. 3 minus 6 equals to minus 3. 3 multiplied by minus 3 equals to minus 9. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, we first must do what's inside the parentheses, then we need to do exponents. In this case we don't have it, then multiplication or division, and they need to be done from left to right, and addition and subtraction. In our case, we first do what's inside the parentheses, so we get 6 minus 3, multiply 3 minus 6 is minus 3. And now we need to do the multiplication and then the subtraction. To make it easier, the minus 3, we write it as plus minus 3, multiplied by minus 3. In this way, we're not tricked by the signs. And what we get is 6. We have minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. Negative becomes plus, and we get plus 9, and equals to 15. And the correct answer is 15. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao, ciao!